Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to compare Audacity versus Fairlight and figure out which audio editor you should choose in 2025. If you're into podcasting, music, or video post production, this guide will help you decide. Audacity is free, open source, and beginner friendly. It's great for recording, trimming, and applying basic effects. It works across Windows, Mac, and Linux, making it accessible to anyone starting out. However, it lacks multi-track depth, automation, and advanced mixing tools. Fairlight, part of DaVinci Resolve, is a professional-grade audio editor designed for post-production. It offers multi-track editing, advanced effects, noise reduction, and full integration with video projects. It's ideal for creators who need precision and professional tools for high-quality audio work. The difference is clear. So that's Audacity versus Fairlight in 2025. If you want a free, easy to use editor, Audacity is a solid choice. But if you need professional post-production features and video integration, Fairlight is the better pick. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.